Hello everyone. Nelson Mandela, also known as Madiba, was born on July 18, 1918, in Mezo, South Africa. He was the son of Chief Henry Mandela of the Madiba clan of the Xhosa-speaking Tembu people. After his father's death, young Nelson was raised by Jong Intaba, the regent of the Tembu. Mandela renounced his claim to the chieftainship to become a lawyer. He attended South African Native College, later the University of Fort Hare, and studied law at the University of the Witwatersrand. In 1944, he joined the African National Congress, ANC, a black liberation group, and became a leader of its youth league. Early anti-apartheid activism. Mandela helped revitalize the ANC and oppose the apartheid policies of the ruling National Party. In 1952, he established South Africa's first black law practice with fellow ANC leader Oliver Tambo, specializing in cases resulting from the post-1948 apartheid legislation. He traveled throughout the country, building support for nonviolent means of protest against the discriminatory laws. The Rivonia trial and imprisonment. In 1962, Mandela was arrested and sentenced to life imprisonment for conspiring to overthrow the state. He served 27 years in prison, split between Robben Island, Pollsmoor Prison, and Victor Verster Prison. During his imprisonment, Mandela became an international symbol of resistance against apartheid. Freedom in presidency. In 1990, President F.W. de Klerk released Mandela from prison amid growing domestic and international pressure. Mandela and de Klerk led efforts to negotiate an end to apartheid, resulting in the 1994 multiracial general election. Mandela led the ANC to victory and became South Africa's first black president. Presidency and legacy. As president, Mandela emphasized reconciliation between the country's racial groups and created the Truth and Reconciliation Commission to investigate past human rights abuses. He introduced measures to encourage land reform, combat poverty, and expand healthcare services. Mandela declined a second presidential term and was succeeded by his deputy, Thabo Mbeki. Mandela received over 250 honors, including the Nobel Peace Prize, for his activist. He is globally regarded as an icon of democracy and social justice and is often referred to as the father of the nation. Nelson Mandela passed away on December 5, 2013, at the age of 95. Mandela's legacy extends far beyond South Africa. He is remembered as a champion of human rights, a symbol of hope, and a visionary leader who helped to shape a better world. His life serves as an inspiration to people of all backgrounds who strive for justice, equality, and a more peaceful future. Thanks for watching.